I scored a new old stock condenser. Pretty cool. Imagine that, over 50 years old, brand new. I just got basically the brackets that came on it. It must be universal. So the brackets that came on it that bolt up onto the radiator core support, they were a little different. So what I did is I basically located some, and I had them powder coated, and I put them on. And then I also have, I got the brackets too. I was able to pick up all the mounting brackets, and they look all nice and neat now, but they were all nasty and kind of rusty. But I had them media blasted and powder coated. And then there's brackets right here that I got as well for the receiver dryer. So just want to show this to you. Looking pretty good. So like I said, I got these, I replaced the brackets right here, and so brand new, so pretty cool. It's black on the side. Basically that's facing the front. You know, they didn't paint the inside, but this is pretty much brand new factory condenser here. So I got like I said, got the brackets put on, so I'm gonna work on getting this thing installed. But I just wanted to show it to you guys. I also ended up picking up these isolators that go as well. So basically these isolators go on the mounting brackets to help the vibration and stuff. So I picked up some of these isolators here. And I also, I didn't have any of the screws, I didn't have any of the bolts or washers or nuts to put this all together. So as I mentioned before, when I got the car, I didn't have everything on it. So I basically been figuring a few things out as I'm going. So I stopped by local hardware store and picked up some bolts. They were not in this AMK master kit that I have, which is a very cool kit, but didn't have anything for the condenser and the brackets and everything. So again, I had to kind of figure out what I needed and stuff. And so I'm gonna get this put on, and we'll take a look at the progress. So thanks for watching. A little bit of WD-40 on these. Like keeping everything lubed up. In hindsight, I probably should have put this on last, but I was kind of just wanted to feel like I'm getting some progress, so that's why I had put this on. Been waiting for parts. the upper bracket for the condenser, so I'll work on getting the lower bracket in. There we go. Just like that. Yeah, like that. There we go. Got to get a couple more bolts. Gonna get my receiver dryer put on here. Okay. Again, my car didn't have this on in the first place, so I'm just trying to figure things out here. Well, I see an issue already that I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to figure something out. This screw is a lot longer, and there's this thing in the way here. Again, I took the brackets that came off of this condenser and put the correct ones that go with the car. So I got to figure out what's going on here, because I'm gonna have to drill something out. You know, I had to put these brackets on because these are the type. These are what's supposed to go in the car. These brackets here, and it holds these clamps that hold on the receiver dryer here. So there's there's an apparatus, it's part of the condenser itself, that's going to be in the way for this screw here, for this strap. So I'm going to have to drill this out here so I can screw in that, the machine screw to get in there, the sheet metal screw I should say, to get in there. So I got to be careful so I don't mess anything up. All right, well, I hope that's good enough. I might have to drill a little bigger. I don't know how soft this metal is. I guess I'll give it a shot and see if it'll let me screw it in. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think it's going to work. I think I'm going to have to drill it out more. It's getting close. So I'm just going to get that kind of mocked up until I get this strap on here. I'll give it a few turns, and again, I don't want to bust this screw, but I know the metal's soft. We're good. Let's get this thing in there. It'll be a little challenging here. You know, again, I'm just trying to figure this out. Okay, here we go. I got the finished product here. Finally got the condenser mounted. It was a little bit of a challenge getting the isolators slash bushings for the condenser on. I had to take the brackets off that mount onto the core support and kind of fiddle with everything a little bit just to get it in. Also, on the other side of the condenser, the pipe that comes through, I had to bend it to get it through the little hole there, so that took a minute, and I'll figure that out obviously when I get the connection done to the AC compressor once it's put on the engine, and it'll mount on the driver's side. So that's a new challenge, but thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe.